Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and today I'm going to be doing a video that's a little bit different than videos that I've done in the past, and it's because I'm trying to figure out if I was duped or not when I bought this MagSafe charger online. So with this video, I'm trying to figure out, did I buy a fake MagSafe charger? So on the left, I have the genuine Apple MagSafe box. On the right, I have the fake MagSafe charger box. Now, as you can tell, they are identical almost as far as size goes. They have the logo on the front, except the Apple one's just a little bit brighter and a little bit more of a clearer photo of the MagSafe charger. On the real one, it says MagSafe charger with an Apple logo. On this fake one here, it just says MagSafe charger. Nothing at the bottom on the fake one. On the real one, there is the barcodes. And then here on the back, this is where it gets really interesting, is it's almost identical as well. So on the real one, you have the USB-C, you have the MagSafe charger on an iPhone plugging into a 20-watt power brick, and it does say MagSafe charger at the top. And on the fake one, you do have the USB-C there, the MagSafe charger on the phone, but it is plugged into a 15-watt power brick. And once again, it does say MagSafe charger. The font size, the boldness, everything's just a tad bit different on the real one versus the fake one. And to be honest with you guys, this is exactly how it came to me. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't looked at it. I haven't unplugged it or plugged it in, excuse me, nothing. So this is how it came to me. So the box is bowing out, just suspect from the start. But let's go ahead and get it out real quick. Okay. And here we are. Okay, so we got some paperwork here. So MagSafe charger instructions, which obviously we all know how to use it. Get this taken out here. And here we have it. So got the cord attached, the USB-C cord here. Now as far as the feel, let's see. Feels a little bit different than the real MagSafe charger. So here's the real one. So as you can tell, they look almost identical, but the pad here is a little bit more rubberized, a little bit different texture, feels a little more, just more premium, obviously, with the Apple. And this one just feels very flat, very dull. The brushed metal is also just a little bit different looking. On the real one, it's a lot smoother of a texture. On this fake one, you can see it just kind of has like more of a grain to it. So yeah, now on the back, same thing. So the real one is completely smooth. On this back one, on the fake one, it's kind of just got like this grain to it. So just not a very clean look. And then one thing I'm noticing right here too, which I don't know if I can get it in the camera or not, is the edge, or the where it connects. It's kind of almost looks like a dog got a hold of it. It's like kind of just chewed up a little bit looking. So very interesting. So I don't know, but to be determined. You kind of get what you pay for, right guys? So let's go ahead and let's show you what a real one should do. Whoop, bumped the camera there. So let me go ahead and clear out my notifications here. So real MagSafe test, instantly grabs, instantly gives me the MagSafe animation there. The real one does. Now I don't have a case or anything on my phone because I wanted to do a true representation of like, hey, if you have an iPhone 12, this is how strong it sticks, all that good stuff. So with the real MagSafe charger, it really does grip really well and stays on very well. I mean, you almost have to have a little force to pull it off if you don't have a case on it. So definitely works very well, works like it's supposed to. So now let's go ahead and plug in the fake one and let's see what we get with this one. All right, so now I have the MagSnap version, so the fake MagSafe charger plugged in. So let's see what it does when I put it on the phone. Would you look at that? MagSafe compatible. That is a shocker. So let's go ahead and do it again. So that time it didn't do anything. So let's go ahead and give it another try. So that time it just says charging, so it's almost acting like a Qi wireless charger. So let's go ahead and give it another try. Giving me the animation like it's MagSafe, you know, like if it's a real MagSafe charger. Interesting. The magnet is not as strong as the real one, so I am able to pull it off a heck of a lot easier without any resistance, to be honest with you. Maybe just a tad bit of resistance, but that is it. So yeah, that is very interesting. So let's try it one more time. I can't believe it's actually doing that. That's crazy. Which I don't know. I mean, maybe the smarter people that are watching this video can tell me, like, maybe since it's the magnets or whatever, maybe that's why it's kind of giving that, you know, mimic of the MagSafe, you know, being a replica. Because obviously it's not a real MagSafe charger. But I mean, every time I plug it on there, more times now out of the, you know, original side of it, you know, it's actually giving me the proper response, which is actually pretty interesting, because like I said, I paid around $24 shipped to me. It was really suspect because when I originally bought it, it said the company was in California, but then when they sent me the tracking number, it was coming from China. So I was pretty disappointed when I saw that. No one's ever written me back. I instantly wrote them and said, hey guys, I thought y'all were based in Cali. What's going on? Why is this shipping from China now? And like 6 weeks later, I finally got it. But if you are looking for a MagSafe charger, I guess you can buy this one. The main difference is going to be that this one shows to plug into a 15-watt power brick, and the real one plugs into a 20-watt power brick. So, you know, take that with a grain of salt, I guess. But yeah, I mean, it's working. So yeah, guys. So it's fake, but not fake. I don't know. That's weird. But yeah, guys, let me know if you got these guys. You know, if you ever used them before, if you ever bought anything from MagSnap. They have a ton of accessories that they're showing on their website that just undercut the prices of the genuine product. But at the end of the day, you know, if you're able to sacrifice the build quality a little bit and, you know, not worry about that, and maybe not charge the phone as quickly as the original one does, and also kind of deal with the random, you know, kind of quirks of me putting it on there, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Like right now it's on there and it's not doing anything. It's not charging. Well, it is charging now, so it's showing me that it's at least charging. But yeah, I mean, there it is. So all right, guys, so hit that like button. Please comment down below. Let me know if you like this case, or not case, excuse me, this charger, if you've had it before, whatever, or have bought it and tried it out. But other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe and be safe out there.